Video from Wabili Concept TV. This is another amazing luxury door system. These are pivot smart locking door for modern house in 2026. It comes with fingerprints. See, I'm coming in, going in. You can see it comes with the Android system. It's at the back of the door that you can view who is coming in from the back. So guys, pick this door at our office at 293 Agege Road, Olorunsogun, Lagos. Buy this door and enjoy your money. Door. So these are our luxury doors. Comes with smart lock and Android screen at the back. But I want you to show the Android screen. We have it in either 5 feet, 7 feet height, and 4 feet, 8 feet, 5 feet, 8 feet. So these are our luxury showroom design. You can have this door in your house. These are the modern trending doors. This is called luxury smart pivot doors. You can use it for your new modern house. So this comes with all the accessories, the locking system. You can have it and camera system. So how much is this door in 2026? This is 5 feet, 8 feet. This is extra height. It goes for 1.8 million naira. That's for today's market. This is 5 feet, 7 feet door. This goes for 1.6 million naira, and is something you are going to enjoy. This is a private security system. You can have it, your fingerprint, your screen lock, everything is available. This is another beautiful pivot system door. This is 4 feet extra height. It comes with a smart lock and it has all the accessories you need. This goes for 1.5 million naira, and this is another design of this concept. This is 5 feet, 7 feet door. This goes for 1.6 million naira. The same properties, Android system, and all other properties. This is a normal steel door with another Android smart lock system. This is normal Android system. This goes for 800,000 naira. This is 3 feet. This is 4 feet. This is 950,000 naira. So this is the main properties of this door. Look at it at the back. It comes with the Android system. This is the Android screen. You can only see who is coming in from the back, and you can see it. It's a fingerprint. So immediately, I'm not programmed. My hand system is not programmed. So okay, it's open now. So this is our pivot. This is 4 feet pivot door system that you can always get at our showroom at 293 Agege Road, Olorunsogun. You can always get this door for 1.6 million naira. Available in any design, 4 feet, 3 feet, no, 4 feet and 5 feet, 8 feet and 7 feet. These are the major dimensions of this door. This is our normal toilet door. This is another 4 feet pivot door system. So guys, this is luxury doors in 2026, pivot luxury doors. So it comes with smart locking system and many other properties.